This is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and I've gotten 2 packages from Kimberly Jolly. And I think one of these is my needles, or my pins, or my needles that came from that last box, Fat Quarter Shop box. So we're gonna open this up and see what's in it. And I covered that up. Woo! I got my needles. I think they were missing in my first box, and so they sent them right out. So this is just, just a few days later. And thank you very much for making good on that. Appreciate it. Now, I also got another big package that I couldn't help but open, so I'll show you what was in that. Is this? This smells like men's perfume. I wonder if somebody dropped, oh look, there's water on the bottom there. That's perfume. Oh, it stinks. So this one came from Kimberly Jolly. Do not bend. Boy, I like that. She takes good care of it. And you get a nice color receipt. I ordered the thimble pads. I love those for handwork. Super. And then I used that coupon that came in the last Fat Quarter Shop box for Elizabeth Hartman patterns. So I got outdoors. Just reminds me of the Pacific Northwest so beautifully. Look at all the different fabrics you have to have for it. That's going to be fun. And look on the top of the magazine, I'll show you. Magazine. It's like a book. It has that symbol. And I think that's the symbol that she gave out in a pin, a beautiful enameled pin. And it's supposed to be that pattern of potluck casserole, something of that nature. And then it's got those little flowers in it that match the flowers on the sunshine duck. Oh man, look at that. Look at all the instructions to make a mountain. Sunshine and the gradient of colors for the horizons. And you can make a baby quilt, or you can make a big size quilt. How much is the big one? Let's see. And oh, it shows you how to do it with Bella Solids or with her line of fabric, which we're using this month with the whales. And it's called Scenery. That looks nice. I think that I'm going to make it with less bright colors. I don't know how to do that yet, but I'm thinking about it. Oh, yes. And the small one was... the small quilt is 40 by 40. And the large quilt is 80 by 80. So you're making 4 of the 40 by 40s and put them together. Look how nice that looks. Boy, after doing those dinosaurs and the sunshine ducks, this will be a piece of cake. It'll just be a matter of figuring out which fabrics. I love that mountain block. And the trees are, we do trees like that for Christmas trees sometimes. And then we have the little hare, the bunny rabbit. And the deer with antlers. And the bear. Oh, and I like the bird. And then the last one is a mushroom. I don't know if I'd put that in. I'd probably reverse the bird and put it in twice on each block. I'm just not a mushroom fan. Okay, so that's my beautiful outdoors from Elizabeth Hartman. And then look at the second one I got. Bunnies. These were all 25% off. I saved $12 buying both of these. I thought this would be tremendous for little pillows for a baby room or baby blankets. Year round, you can use that. And it looks like Elizabeth is using this casserole artwork design as her label, sort of her, this is who I am. So I really like those bunnies. The baby quilt is 40 by 46. The pillow is 24 by 24. And a large quilt is 67 by 73. So not a bed size, but you have the 3 options. I like it. Well, you'll probably see one of these coming in 2027, as well as this one. So I like her patterns. They're fun, you know. It's like I'm making that white caps right now, and it has 100 and some 80 pieces of one thing and 100 pieces of another thing, and oh, I don't like that. I'd rather make more variety, I think. And you sure get a variety of sizes and shapes with these Elizabeth Hartman patterns. There's hardly any repetition. So I'm going to put them back in their sleeves safely. And put those in my list. Got a lot of things on my list, don't I? But I have my, I was wondering, the whole kitchen smells like this. The whole kitchen smells like this brown paper that has the perfume on it. So I'm going to show that away. But we got our needles for the machine. We got our thimble pads. And we got 2 books from Elizabeth Hartman. Very, very happy with this purchase. And they were on sale. And no bending. It was very well protected. All right. So that is my latest haul from Fat Quarter Shop. Mostly Elizabeth Hartman patterns. Okay, have a good one. Bye.